So you wanna rotate a component to face a certain way. That's set world rotation. It's like you reorient a part without moving the whole actor and clean control over a component. Now to get this node, just right click and type in set world rotation and you will get this node. But here, as you can see on the screen, the target is scene component, which means you always need a scene component to be connected with the target. For now, as you can see on the screen, we have three options here: the cube 1, or default scene root. For now, we are just choosing this one. But yes, this is how you actually get the node. And for now, just remove both of these because we already prepared a beautiful, simple example to better understand it, where we are taking an event begin plate execution pin into a delay of approximately 5 seconds. So after 5 seconds, what will it do is it will set the world location of this particular cube into 000. So let's just first compile it in scene action, then we will understand it better way than this. So yes, as you can see on the screen, by pressing even begin play after 5 seconds, you can see how it actually moved in a place, but we can't see what actually changed because the change was very negligible, if I say so. So let's just change the x and y to 90 degree so we can actually see what is changing here. So I think this will be good. Now just compile the code, and when we press begin play, it will do exactly that. Let's just wait for a sec here, and as you can see on the screen, it just moved the sideways. And this is what this set world rotation does. It is actually used for rotating cameras, current barrels, or character head rotation, or gadget mounted on players. So it's a super useful node. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.